Hello artists, how are you today? Stephanie Aune coming to you from the banks of the Trinity River here near Willow Creek, California. Oz and I welcome you to the studio. We are very happy you are here with us today. Well, these are distress crayons. I think the colors are really beautiful with the distress crayons. The coverage was a little bit more difficult to get, but it did build up well. And the yellows are very vibrant, the purples are very vibrant. I think there's a lot of potential here for some really cool stuff. You guys have seen me use distress crayons in the past. I generally like to use them over textured things, so actually over this background would probably be better than just doing it this way. However, you could really easily create some gorgeous landscapes using this product. So as you can see, I mean, these I'm doing a similar feeling on a lot of these projects, and that's because what I'm doing is, again, testing to see how smoothly things go on, how well things are applied. So while they may feel similar, I'm testing blendability, testing all of that great stuff. So yeah, the distress markers, the colors are cool. There are some different colors in there that you don't get with other things, so that was one of the things that I did enjoy about them. But, you know, a lot of these crayons have really similar properties to them. The gelatos, the distress crayons, the Neocolors, they each have their own little idiosyncrasies to them. Great products, all of them. I haven't found anything that I don't enjoy at this point. So anyways, be sure to make a comment. Let me know what you think about your distress markers. Again, I'm just kind of putting down color, so there's not a whole lot to talk about other than just blend and play. You don't have to do directional stuff. Do whatever makes you happy on these backgrounds. It's an individual project. Let me know what you think about your products, though. Okay, my amazing artists, thank you so much for your support. If you can use any of the Amazon or Arteza links, I would greatly appreciate it. Okay, Patreons, love you guys. Thank you for your support. Mwah. We'll chat soon. Bye.